Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries TRAK second operation machining center. Serial number 192DR509. This machine was new in 2019. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a BT30 spindle. Right now we're running, it goes up to 5,000 RPM. That's 1,500.
It's 2,500.
2,500. This machine's original paint, by the way.
That's 4,000.
4,000. Super quiet. You have 14 inches of X travel of the head, 12 inches of Y travel for the saddle, and the head up and down of 17. Okay. You have a T-slotted table. The table size is 18 by 15, and on that table you have Jergens ball lock system. Oh, and that's the tool changer, which you have an 8-position rack. Simulating a tool change. Doing another. Handy little thing about this machine is that it's semi-portable. You can put a pallet jack underneath it and move it around your shop. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.